When they come up to me and they say, you know what, you made a difference in my life, that I can walk better, I can sit better in a chair. When I make that difference, I got to tell you, I am so warm inside, and it warms my heart to know that I can help others.
Hi, Jill.
Jill, how do you pronounce your last name?
Franke with an E.
Love it.
My name is Jill Franke. I live in Fairfield, Connecticut. What I find most interesting about myself is that I love what I do, and it shows when I work out. Challenges has been, my knees were bothering me, and what I had to do is I had to strengthen my quads, because you can't strengthen any joint, but you can strengthen the muscles around the joint. And that's what I did. I started strengthening my quads by doing close squats. I started doing leg extensions carefully to strengthen my quads, anything I could do to help my knees. I ended up getting my both knees replaced, and I'm great now. You can see my legs. They bowed out before, and they don't anymore, and I can do anything.
And you're here.
I'm here.
How's life?
Great.
Yeah?
Great. Yes, I love being here. Thank you for having me.
You came from far away, from Connecticut.
I came in last night. I have family in Tampa, St. Pete, Sarasota, so I'm in and out.
Ladies, do you have any questions about anything?
No.
Courtney?
Are you a past aerobics instructor? Or a class?
42 years.
I can tell. I take a lot of classes. I can just tell. Okay, that's good.
She got the vibe.
I shouldn't say aerobics. I should just say classes, like
I teach
workout
anything.
class.
Group
I can tell.
class.
Yeah, I could tell already. Okay.
Awesome. Jill, you can begin and do your thing. And conduct yourself as if you're, creating your own very own YouTube
focus on the
video.
camera.
And you are looking at that gentleman right there. And we have you on a screen here as well, so we can see you.
Hi, my name is Jill Franke. Today we're doing an at-home workout. I've got 5-pound dumbbells for you, and if that's too much, you can use soup cans, okay? So we're gonna do squats. Hopefully you don't have a back problem, because if you do, I want you to just do a mini squat, okay? Otherwise, we're gonna do a 45-degree angle squat from the side, knees behind your toes, shoulders back and down, all the weight in your heels. And here's a little tip. Bring the toes up in your shoes. That will keep you from hyperextending your knees. So we're gonna start with that. You can have your dumbbells on the side, or you can bring them on your shoulders, elbows flared out. Eyes forward, and you're gonna inhale down, exhale up. We're gonna do 15. Okay, and again, if you need to modify, you're just gonna do a small quarter squat, okay? And next one, we're gonna do some push-ups. So you don't need dumbbells for these. Modified version, you're on your knees, abs tight, your wrists are under your shoulders so you're all aligned. Pull your belly button in so your abs are engaged. Chin tucked. So modified version, here and here without arching your back, and you have a nice line from your neck to your tailbone. Harder version, you're on your feet, lower and lift. You're going about 3/4 of the way down. Inhale down, exhale up. Okay, we're gonna work up to 15. And again, you're gonna go as far as you can. And if you need to, drop to your knees, or you can do one knee. So there's a lot of modification you can do. So there's always something you can do. Don't just sit there. Okay, next what we're gonna do shoulders. Abs tight, palms toward me. Engage your abs. We're gonna tilt them down just slightly, so we get a little more of that delt. You're gonna inhale, exhale. Inhale down, exhale up. Looking straight ahead. I always like to find something on the wall to stare at, so I'm not moving my neck all over. It's a little safer. Chin is tucked. We're gonna work up to 15. If you need a modification, you're gonna go one arm at a time, and you can keep going. If you have injuries with your shoulders, a little safer version, palms facing each other, and you can modify here. Again, if it's too heavy, soup cans are fine. Okay, your trainer, Jill. And if you like what you see, I want you to subscribe to this channel, because we got a lot of things coming down the pike that you're gonna love. Thanks for being here.
Good job. That was really good.
That was fun.
Really good.
That was great.
I guess my only critique that I would say moving along in the future is, and again, this is really good. I'm trying to just get a little nitpicky, I guess, or try to
That's
find things,
okay.
because that was very well. you just kind of were briefly on, like, for example, you said, all right, this will do our shoulders, but I think you could use some more of exactly talking about exactly which muscles you're targeting. You just said, oh, we're going to do push-ups for shoulders, and you went into it and you gave all the posture and everything, but
So
I
just
think
a
you
chest-
could, I think
chest
you
move.
could really use some words, explain this is hitting, whatever exact muscle you're working on from your pecs to exactly to your lats, just a little bit more explanation of what muscles.
Okay.
And then also, you just briefed on a little bit of, do it for 15 reps, and then you kind of just moved on. So I think you could just slow down, take a breath, and then say, we're going to do 15 reps for these. How many times? I left saying in my head, how many times do I do it for 15? So these are just things, if I were to be listening to you and I'm working out at home, these are things that would pop into my head if I was doing these exercises. So just little helpful hints, just what muscles, how often, take a breath, how long do I take a break in between these? Just little things like that would just take you that much higher into it. And I really liked all your modifications, and I really liked all your safety on trying to help anybody who can't keep up to what you're doing. So that was really good, though. And that's just me trying to get a little nitpicky with you. But
No,
Jill, that was
thank
great.
you.
She's the Simon Cowell, obviously. So
That's fine. I'll be Simon. I like Paula, but I'll be Simon. But I'm just things that would pop into my head. That'll help.
That's really good. Yeah, workout parameters like how long are we doing this for? How many rounds? Those types of things. But you were trying to obviously squeeze a lot into what you thought was a small space of time, right? So you're trying to get through it, teach the exercises properly. It's a great mix of movements. You're obviously in terrific shape and really have everything down. You're super engaging. Your energy comes right out. So that's a great quality, and some people are lacking that. They have all the know-how, but they can't give it to the end user in a way that's like really inviting and engaging, and you are awesome at that. So that's like really, really strong. So love that.
Thank you.
Sam?
Thank you.
Yeah, I thought you were very energetic and enthusiastic and very well put together as far as your routine and what you were doing. You weren't thinking, okay, well, what are we going to do next? I don't know. But I liked that you continue just kind of talking through each of your exercises. I think that helps keep motivation up. I think you did a great job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much,
If you don't mind
Jill.
going to see Jared, I'm gonna take your pack from you.
Oh, okay.
Thanks,
You're
Jill.
welcome.
you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, which way back?
Straight through that door.
I love her pep. Very peppy.
Yeah.
Too sweet.
And that's good to have. And it's good to have someone that's older and can talk and is in great shape. Like, she's a badass, fitness-wise.
I got some great feedback. I got some great strokes that I did when they liked it. They liked what I did. I hope I can do more.